You buy a blender for smoothies, then it hogs the counter and still needs scraping. A tiny one saves space, but family batches become a chore. So we'll sort capacity, presets, cleanup, and upgrade paths. Pick jar size by servings, check counter space, match presets to your routine, and respect cleanup. Let's move. Number 1. Vitamix Explorian E310. This is the one I'd pick for a serious full-size smoothie blender. It fits solo breakfasts and family batches without turning into a gadget drawer project. The 48.0-ounce jar is the sweet spot here. That's big enough for shared servings, but not a giant pitcher problem. Smoothie scores land at 9.1 for single serving and 8.7 for multiple servings. So the appeal is consistency with simple manual controls. Now the trade-off is noise and babysitting. There are no automatic blending programs, so you're deciding when it's done. I'd skip it if you want one-button mornings. I'd also skip it for a larger main jar. Number 2. Braun TriForce Power Pro JB9041BK. If your house makes smoothies in waves, this is the more flexible setup. I'd pick it for batch blending plus a take-along jar. The main jar is 68.0 ounces, so it's better for multiple servings than the Vitamix. It also includes a 20-ounce personal jar, which matters if someone leaves early. Smoothie scores are 9.1 for single serving and 9.2 for multiple servings. So it isn't just bigger, it's tuned for the bigger job. The catch is cleaning. Only some parts are dishwasher safe, and the pitcher and personal blades need hand cleaning. Skip it if loud appliances bother your kitchen. Number 3. nutribullet Triple Prep System. This is the pick I'd buy for a kitchen that hates single-purpose machines. You get a smoothie blender, personal jars, programs, and a food processing jar. The 64.0-ounce pitcher gives it real family batch capacity. Smoothie scores sit at 9.1 for single serving and 9.2 for multiple servings. That means it belongs with the bigger smoothie performers, not just accessory bundles. But the trade-off is feel and cleanup. It's not positioned as the tank-like upgrade pick, and jar ridges can be annoying to scrub. I'd skip it if thick mixtures are your normal routine. I'd also skip it if you hate cleaning around grooves. Number 4. Chefman Obliterator. Here's the budget pick I'd consider before dropping to bargain bin blenders. It keeps a full-size 48.0-ounce jar, so you're not stuck making tiny rounds. The single-serving smoothie score is 9.0, and multiple servings land at 8.5. That's the pitch, strong smoothie basics without chasing every kitchen task. It also fits buyers who want a more compact full-size option. But the trade-off is versatility. Thick smoothies, nut butter, and dense blends may need stopping and stirring. I'd skip it if you want the blender to push through heavy recipes alone. I'd buy it for smoothie duty most mornings, not kitchen domination. Number 5. Black+Decker Quiet Blender with Cyclone Glass Jar. This is the one I'd pick only when spending less matters most. It gives you a 48.0-ounce glass pitcher, which some buyers prefer over plastic. The smoothie scores are 8.4 for single serving and 7.7 for multiple servings. So it's still a smoothie blender, but not the cleanest finisher here. The compromise is polish. Some components feel flimsy, and the smoothie program may need several cycles. That means less noise anxiety, but more patience. I'd skip it if you want the fewest unprocessed bits. I'd also skip it if build quality is your upgrade reason. If you want the safest full-size pick, I'd start with Vitamix. If your family needs batch plus travel cups, Braun makes more sense. Pick nutribullet for accessories, Chefman for cheaper smoothie focus, and Black+Decker when glass and lower spin matter most. Before you buy, measure cabinet clearance, decide if presets matter, and be honest about hand washing. Also check current price and availability, because blender bundles change fast. My pick is Vitamix for simple long-term smoothie duty. Go Braun for bigger households, nutribullet for prep accessories, and Chefman for value. Pick Black+Decker for glass on a tighter budget. Links are in the description.